what is going on? Yo, peep this thing, and look who we got behind us again. The dude that I got. Things looking mint. Can't say the same for the Supra. Yo, what's good? Yo, what are we doing today, Scruffy?
Drifting.
Deodorant, bro? You got deodorant? You said what? I don't know. You just gotta run. Alright guys, we're at the gas station because I have a V8 and he has a 2-gallon tank, so there ain't no way they're playing ads.
Features to visit year-round. The island.
I'm about to make Scruffy act up, watch. All I have to do is tempt him a little with, you know, some revs and he's gonna start revving too, watch. Told you, dude's gullible. He's still going. We're like cutting up right now, and I lost Scruffy. He's pulling up right now, right there on the side. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. He's in my rear view now. But I'm starving right now, man. I haven't eaten. Also, my haircut looks whack, guys, and you can't blame me. My barber's trying to raise the price to $72. Not paying that. Alright guys, so we are here. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how to you know, drift. If like, it's gonna help with your car control more than drifting, because drifting takes a little bit more throttle control. But I'm just gonna show you guys, obviously go into an empty lot with no poles and, you know, just kind of follow these steps. So you're gonna want to hold off your traction control, like hold your button until it pops up that your advanced track is off. You're gonna want to go into second gear. You're gonna want to get some space and then turn your wheel, start giving throttle, and you're gonna feel it slide out. Like that. And so it's hard to do it with one hand because you got to brace and stuff, but you kind of just like start to feather it, and we're gonna explain this with Scruffy once he's doing it too. But you kind of, I just wanted to show it from my point of view. Actually, let me move my car away. He's inexperienced. I don't want this shit to get hit. And you don't want to just slam on your gas. Slam on your gas, it's gonna put a lot of strain on your gas train, everything like that. And so that's why you just lightly hold it while you're going to circle. That's why you want a big empty lot. You just lightly hold it until your rear starts to like slip out. Once it slips out, go ahead and, like, you know, kind of feather it in a little bit more. You start to like kind of control it, and then you want to counter steer. So we're gonna go hop in with Scruffy real quick. This dude, start going in a circle, and then start to like give it a little bit more. Not right here because you're about to fly into us. Start to give it a little bit. Should have put on my seatbelt. Dude, what are we doing, bro?
I'm trying to get more space. I want to be away from your car.
Yeah. You like give it gas until you feel it slipping.
My wheel slipping?
Yeah, like your rear starts slipping out. And then you give it a bit more gas and you want to kind of just control the circle. Like you're going to start counter steering. See, that's not as control. You're gonna burn too much rubber doing that. You gotta control it more.
That was my first time ever doing that.
It's okay, it's okay. Dude, the rain's gonna be really good because you're not gonna burn any fucking thread doing that. Dude.
Almost.
Yeah, you had that. You almost had that. You should move up there because we just keep ending up over here. We just keep ending up at my car. Yo, there you go. Almost. Oh no.
Why does it stop? Is my traction control not all the way off?
Is it losing power? Cutting power?
Yeah.
Yeah, I hate that shit. shit.
Oh, that's a cop over there.
Where?
Over there.
Is it?
Yeah.
Takeover practice is crazy. Yeah, we're gonna get Infinities after this. Would you rate this practice? Do you think I should teach more people?
Yeah.
All right, well, you're an ass student.
Put them on a set of course too.
Put them on a set of course. Yeah. Jordan is my favorite student. All right, guys, before the cops come, we're gonna get the hell out of here, but that was pretty nice. Pretty nice. All right, guys, I'm gonna catch y'all in a second. I gotta drive somewhere a bit more low-key and safe that doesn't have Scruffy. Holy shit, what the fuck, that pothole? Guys, I was a little bit rushed, like, to show you guys how to drift. So I'm hoping, well, not how to drift, it's more how to slide. It kind of teaches you throttle control, so then you could transition into knowing how to drift. Now, I wouldn't recommend doing this with your daily tires or a lot. If it's raining, it's definitely a lot more like your tires aren't going to wear as much, but I'd probably at least try to do it on dry surface first, because rain's going to also feel a lot different. But I'm hoping you guys get, like, what I mean, though, when I, like, it's just like you're going to feel the rear slide out, and if you don't know what that feels like, you're going to need to learn how that feels like. You're going to, it's just like the same way when you know your wheels are spinning, and if you don't know how that feels, you're going to need to learn how that feels as well at some point. Essentially, your rear's going to, like, start sliding out, and then you kind of want to counter steer it, like, give it more gas, counter steer, and, like, just try to get going in a circle. Once you get going in a circle, you start learning how to do figure eights, and once you learn how to do figure eights, you're going to be able to start transitioning to actually, like, drift an obstacle. Now, if you have a big enough lot that you found, you could even set up cones and stuff once you get to that point, but I mean, it's going to be tough, because if cops hear you or something, it's like you just got to find the right spot. For me, it's like if you're not doing anything bad, you're not doing it in a parking lot that has a shit ton of vehicles, or, you know, you're not doing it out in the middle of a road in an intersection, I think you're fine. You know, like, it is what it is. You're paying the subscription cost of your tires all the time. So yeah, I mean, besides that, like, Scruffy's really addicted now to it, so hopefully that be his tires last. You know, wrong person to show. The part is, like, when you're spinning it, to just not, like, you know, hit the gas and try to just keep going in circles. You know, like, you got to get the control down of it. Now, like, I tried showing it in my car, but with one hand, when I'm flying around the seat like this, I was literally like this, trying to, like, record. It's just, you know, it's not really a good demonstration, so I'm happy I was able to show it with Scruffy too. Anyways, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Go ahead and tune into the next one. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Leave your thoughts and comments down below. See y'all later. Toodles!